Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on XIAOMI Redmi A2. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Right here, find the system at the bottom. Go for the gestures. Inside we have four different gestures. So first one is quickly opening camera. You can quickly open camera by pressing the power button twice and it works from any screen, just like that. Next option is system navigation, and here you can choose how to navigate your phone. You can either use gestures or 3 buttons. Then we have one-handed mode, and if you enable the one-handed mode shortcut, you can see the new icon right here. It floats around your screen and you can click on it to halve the screen of your phone. That way, when you're using it in one hand, it will be easy to reach the notification bar. Moving on, we have press and hold the power button, and it will work for your Google Assistant. So if you hold it for, I guess, 1 second, it should call out your Google Assistant like that. You can also adjust press and hold duration for this feature. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.